because Alicia and I do have some new content coming up, and we're actually really excited to bring it to you guys, so you do not want to miss out. So once again, make sure that you're subscribed as well as your post notifications are turned on. So I have a new one from a company called Amanda Hair, and I'll leave all the information and details in the info section below. However, this is the wig that I have. This is their silky straight 4x4 inch lace front wig. My wig is 24 inches long and 180% density, as well it is pre-plucked, and it also has baby hairs along the front perimeter. Now, as usual, I like to put the wig on just to kind of let you guys see what the wig looks like as I received it, and to further assess the wig to see what I have to do in order to make it work for myself. So I found that I needed to bleach the knots as well as tint the lace. So I went ahead and I did that off camera, and here we are now. I'm just further customizing the wig as I usually do, so that way it'll work best for myself. If you're new here, I'll be sure to link a video above in case you guys want to see this process done in detail. So check the cards above, or you can check the link in the info box below as well. I'm just tweezing behind the hairline to get rid of that density along the front perimeter, as well as to make it look a little more realistic and work better for myself. If you are a beginner, you do not have to do this. I get a lot of comments of people saying that it's too much work. By all means, you can wear the wig exactly how it comes. I just like to further customize it so that it works best for myself. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing that, and I will see you guys with the next step. So now that the hair is completely dried, we're going to go ahead and flat iron this hair silky straight. And the product that I'm going to be using on the hair is by Design Essentials, and this is their silkening serum. However, I'm kind of mad because this product, I believe, is discontinued because I cannot find it anywhere, and this definitely was a staple for my natural hair as well as on my straight wigs. But I will leave another heat protectant below. I kind of go back and forth between Design Essentials and the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum, so be sure to check the info section below, and I'll have a link for that product there. But I'm using my Babyliss Pro flat iron, and I'm just doing small sections in order to get this hair bone straight. This hair does dry with a slight wavy pattern, so I'm flat ironing each section 1 to 2 times. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then along the top of the wig, in order to get it to lay really flat and look nice, I'm going in with my Mizani wax stick. If I'm wrong, I will leave the correct link below. And then I'm using my hot comb just to kind of get that really nice and flat and look super realistic up there. So I'm going to continue to do that, and I will see you guys with the next step. Okay, so now that we are done styling up the wig, this is what it looks like. I decided to do my baby hairs as such, so we're going to go ahead and get the wig on. I just like to throw on a black stocking cap because I personally don't prefer to do the ball cap method, so I find that a regular black stocking cap works best for myself, and you guys are going to see in just a second how it doesn't intervene with the part. Not at all. Still looks like scalp. But here's the wig on. It's looking really nice. I'm just going to go ahead and trim off that that lace. And once again, if you're a beginner, you will find that these little 4x4 or 5x5 lace wigs are magical, because you don't have to worry about going from ear to ear and making that front perimeter look realistic. It's just that small amount of lace and it's just enough. But I went ahead and I applied a little bit of my foundation to the parting space just to make it pop a little more, and I'm just cleaning up the wig by using my hot comb as well as my flat iron just to get out any creases that may have happened while the wig was sitting on my canvas block. And you guys just get into this wig, just the luster alone just looks super realistic. And did I mention that this wig is super affordable? Also, I'm gonna try to find a discount code to leave below so that way you guys can save a little extra cash. You don't have to break the bank trying to get this wig, but this is what the wig looks like. Super silky straight, so gorgeous. Now I do have a lot of hair underneath the wig, so if you're like myself and you have a big head or you have a lot of hair up underneath the wig, this wig kind of fits a little tight, so keep that in mind. But if you have a small head, you're good to go with this one. So once again, check out Amanda Hair. I will have all the information provided down below as well as the discount code. Let me know what you think about this wig, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.